Welcome to Fyno Connect, a no-code solution for triggering notifications by connecting directly with your databases. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of connecting to a database, creating a cohort, and launching a campaign. Let's begin by navigating to the Databases page. Here, under the Available DB Integration section, you can see all the available database integrations. For this demonstration, we'll select Snowflake. Enter a custom name and fill out all the required fields on this form. Once completed, click on the Add Database button to add this database to your list. Now, the database should be listed under the Connected DB section. Click on the database card to view its schema and data. From the drop-down menu, select the desired schema and view the associated data displayed below. To filter the data, you have the option to use our custom UI or write in any advanced query, including joins to get a single view of your customers. If you prefer, our powerful AI engine can also generate queries based on simple plain English instructions. For this demonstration, let's utilize our query builder to identify a cohort of users who are potential prospects for a home loan. Enter all the necessary conditions to define your cohort. After that, click on the Apply button to filter the data according to these conditions. Here you can view the filtered data. To save these conditions as a cohort, simply click on the Save as Cohort button. Name your cohort and click on the Submit button to create it. On the Cohorts page, all the created cohorts are displayed, and by selecting them, you can review both the conditions and the data. Having covered that, let's proceed to creating a campaign. You can initiate this process right from here. Choose to save and create a campaign either from this page or from the listing page. Go ahead and create the campaign. Start by giving it a name and then select the type of campaign you're looking to run. Click on the Create button to finalize your campaign's creation. At the top of the page, you'll notice a Notification Event drop-down menu. The options in this menu are sourced from your Fyno Cloud. Select the most suitable one for your campaign. For instance, let's choose the Home Loan Offer. On the left-hand side, you can set the campaign type as either one-time or recurring. Choose depending on whether this campaign is a one-off or if it will be ongoing. Below, there are two sections titled To and Data. In the To section, you'll see destination options. For this event, we have WhatsApp and SMS. And in the Data section, we have Source Key. Here, select the column name that corresponds the required field, and in our case, we will select the mobile number field. For the source, let's choose the distinct ID. On the right-hand side, you'll be able to view the preview of the template present in the event. This template is set up for WhatsApp and SMS, but you can choose from a total of 9 supported channels, including email and push notifications, to configure your preferred channel. Now, let's switch to recurring and make this a recurring campaign. The campaign should run every month on the 4th date at 11 a.m. It's set to run 5 times in the Asia-Kolkata time zone. So now, on the 4th of every month, a new set of data will be fetched from the database and notifications will be sent to them. Moving on to testing, fill in the required data to test the campaign. When you click the Test and Save button, if the test is successful, the campaign will automatically be saved. Our test was successful, and we have now saved the campaign. You can fire the campaign from here by clicking the Fire Campaign button, or you can return to the listing page and fire the campaign from there. Let's proceed to fire it up. With 2 easy steps, we were able to fire campaigns to the users directly from your database. Hit Confirm to fire. The status will then change to Awaiting. This campaign is scheduled to be fired on the 4th of March 2024 at 11 a.m. and is awaiting its next run. By clicking on it, you can also check the status and view when the next run is scheduled. After running the campaign, you can view all the logs on this tab. Congratulations! You have successfully launched your first campaign within minutes. With Fyno Connect, you can utilize the customer data already stored in your database to create cohorts and launch campaigns without writing a single line of code. Do give it a try. Thank you.